Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year. I know I've been gone a while and it's February, so I'm kind of late on that. But I am back with a fresh new haircut, just in case you noticed. Maybe you didn't, maybe you don't care. Anyway, moving on. So today's video is going to be about lessons I have learned during my teenagehood. So keep watching and we'll get right into that. So the first thing I would say is know when to give up on a story idea. So I would say reassess your story and really make sure that you want to be spending that amount of time on a story idea. With that in mind, I would also say that if you decide to scrap a story idea, that you can recycle certain elements of the story that you liked. So as a new writer, know that most of the stuff that you write might actually be rubbish. Like, you might be unsure of it, but a year later you look back and you're like, who wrote that? And it was you. The thing is, that's okay, and that's actually quite necessary in terms of progressing and growing as a writer. Success is subjective and it looks different to everyone. Your definition of success in your writing career or your hobby may be that, you know, I want to be published within the next 2 years, or someone else might want a final product that they may share with friends and family. And so success is different to everyone, and it's important that we don't compare ourselves to each other. With that being said, the next point I would like to bring up is don't obsess over publishing. Now, when we think about writing, I know that I did. I started obsessing over publishing a lot. Sometimes it gets really negative and it's easy to stop writing and, you know, having this fear of rejection over your work that frankly you haven't even completed yet. Don't let that fear of rejection keep you from experimenting and improving yourself and, you know, letting out your creativity. This point is kind of in reference to writer's block and at the same time losing motivation. Write for the right reasons. So I wanted to sit down and write something, I don't know, anything. And I guess that was my right reason, because I really genuinely wanted to write. And I find that that was much easier for me to keep it going because I wasn't leading myself up to disappointments and expectations that weren't realistic. This point is more in terms of planning your manuscript and planning your story. This has taken me a really long time to understand, but writing a story outline for your book and, you know, having notes for characters and other details of your story. Me as a writer, I would forget really important parts of my story, which is really embarrassing. And it's really annoying, to be honest, having to go back and fix major details in your story. So the last point I have for you is, if you're interested in posting your work online, then I would say be aware that your work can be stolen. If someone really wants to copy your work, I'm pretty sure there are ways out, you know, that they can do that. Do your research before posting online, and especially if you're serious about your work. So that's all I have for this video. I hope you found it useful. Let me know if you want more videos on topics like these and I'd be happy to make them. And yeah, so bye bye. See you guys next time.